Chicken, chicken, chicken. One day more that God give to us. Today my pretty job is to put the turbo back in this pretty F-250 L'Oreal Super Duty power strap. This baby, I need to put this turbo. This baby. Check it out. Check it out, this baby. Check this out. Check this out, baby. Yee! Check this out. Baby out. This is the baby I have to put on. This is a double turbo, dual turbo. Low side, high side. Pretty baby is gonna go in. So let's go forward. Power drop. Power in Jesus' name. I'm gonna make it happen. No matter what, I'm gonna need help. The owner, I'm waiting for the owner to come to help me because that weight a lot. I lift in transmission, but that thing I believe way close to the transmission or a little more. I know I can do it myself, but I might broke something or I break my back. I even have this Dr. Chun. That belt is to protect and all the way gear everywhere because I want to do this job as soon as I can. So, Lord, bless everybody.